How to add cruise details to TripIt. Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll be learning how you can add cruise details to TripIt. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to launch the TripIt application on your device. Scroll down to the last part of the screen and click on trips. Ensure that you're on your trips option. Then select the trip that you'd like to add cruise details to. And then on the page, move to the bottom right corner and click on the plus icon. By clicking on the plus icon, you'll be taken to the page where you see details, things that you can add, plans that you can add to your trip. So in this case, we'll be selecting cruise since you're trying to add cruise details. By selecting add cruise, you'll be taken to the add cruise page. So on this page, you'll be asked to enter in the cruise line name, the ship name, the confirmation number, the location name, address, the ending part, and then once you've filled in all of these details, move to the top right corner, click on the memory icon, and then save your cruise details. And then just like that, cruise will be successfully added. So click on done and you will see it in amongst your plans for your trip. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.